Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back doing my mom's locks. If you want to hear from her, stay tuned towards the end of the video. I interview her really briefly and she tells you about her lock journey and where she is right now. But for now, I am doing some maintenance. She just washed it and now I'm oiling it with the horsetail leaf growth oil available exclusively at KeishaCharmaine.com. Make sure you check out the reviews. People are raving about this oil. It's infused with horsetail herbs, so you're getting a lot of benefits. It's packed with silica and selenium, minerals needed for strong, long hair retention, and hair growth, okay? So, after I massage her scalp and her locks with the oils, then I go on to retwisting. Of course, I use the Love Light and Locks gel. Also has great reviews. Check that out. It has peppermint essential oil in it. So not only does it smell like peppermint oil, but you get that tingling on your scalp, which we all love, right? Make sure you check that out. It's water-based, so it washes out really easily. Plus, it's 99% natural. That 1% helps it last longer, okay? That's the preservative. So I go on ahead and I retwist her locks as well as braid it up. My mom has about, I forgot how many locks she has. Maybe around 60, 50 to 60 locks. So she doesn't have a lot of locks. So it doesn't usually take me very long to braid her hair. But as she will tell you later on, one of her favorite styles is a braid out because not only are braid outs just beautiful, but they do help to bring volume to locks. So when you have a smaller amount of locks, braids and curls create volume. So that's something to consider if you have thinner hair. I did get a request for lock styles for thinner hairlines and edges. Stay tuned, I'll have some demonstration videos for you. But in short, think about styles that will cover your hairline. So think like faux bangs. Any type of style that will create faux bangs, those are styles that are great for people with thinning hair, thinning hairlines, receding hairlines. Check out this lock style of my mom at her retirement party. If you have issues with your hairline, that's a good style to go to. And check out this style of me doing a messy bun where my ends create faux bangs. That's also another style that you can go to. So again, stay tuned. I'll have a video showing different styles that you can try to cover up your hairline. Hi, Mom.
Hey, Keish, what's up?
Say hi to the viewers.
Hello.
So everybody wants an update on your locks. So what's new? How long have you been growing your locks at this point?
9 years. 9 years at this point.
And how long is it now?
Waist length.
Waist length. Mm-hmm. And how have you been wearing it recently?
I've been wearing it in a ponytail, or I would have a braid out. I really like that. The braid out especially.
Yes, I did just braid your hair, so you can do that. What colors have you been using lately?
I've been using Clairol Textures and Tones, and I've used Cognac and Blazing Burgundy.
Yes, awesome. Okay, thank you so much, Mom. Thanks for coming on to the channel. Hope everybody is loving your locks.
I'm certainly loving them.
Oh yes, do you have any advice for anybody embarking on their lock journey?
Well, you have to be ready and just be patient, because it's going to take some time, but after a while it's going to be worth your while, you know. At least I'm very happy with mine, you know.
So when are you going to cut them off?
Cut what off?
Ha trick question.
I'm not at that stage. It's not even a consideration.
Good.
Who knows? Quien sabe?
Who knows? I do. All right, Mama. Thanks for joining.
You're welcome, de nada.